In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to poll on Google Classroom, a complete 2025 guide. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students with a quick question or gathering opinions for class decisions, creating a poll can be highly effective. So let's dive into the details and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Google Classroom and navigate into the class where you'd like to create the poll. Specifically, you'll want to go into the Classwork tab for your chosen subject, for instance, science. This tab is where you can organize all of your assignments and questions, making it the perfect place to keep everything related to your class structured and accessible. Once you're in the Classwork area, look for the Create button. It's often found near the top of the page and acts as the gateway for creating various classroom materials. Click on that button and you'll see a menu with a number of options, but for our purposes today we want to focus on creating a question. So select the question option from the drop-down menu. At this point you're about to start building your poll. The next step is to type in the question you want to ask your students. Consider what you want to achieve with your poll, whether you're gathering opinions, gauging interest, or deciding on an upcoming event or topic. Try to make your question clear and concise to avoid any confusion. After entering your question, you'll notice that there is an option for question type. Click on this to specify the kind of response you're seeking. Since we are creating a poll, you'll want to select multiple choice. This allows you to provide predefined options for your students to choose from, simplifying the process of gathering results. Now it's time to input your options. The common choices for a straightforward poll are often simple yes or no answers. Start by typing yes into the first option and then continue by typing no into the next. If your poll requires more nuanced options, feel free to add more, but for most basic polls, yes and no suffice. The final step is to submit your poll by clicking on the Ask button. This action will send the question along with the options to your students, allowing them to respond directly to Google Classroom. Once they do, you'll be able to easily see the results compiled in one place, making it convenient to review and analyze the responses. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in Google Classroom. This method is a fantastic way to engage students and obtain their feedback quickly. Thank you for tuning in, and happy polling.